This is the trophy for the best packer. So it's not just about speed, it's also about organization.
I was really intimidated coming into this.
I see my name on the trophy already.
The winner.
Traveling's fun, but packing not always. This is our Carry On Olympics, the ultimate packing competition. And today we have Akshaya and Carlos. Do you still remember when you first got to Western, what was the packing process like?
Of course, it was really hectic. I was trying to fit my whole life into a suitcase. Did not work. Multiple process of repacking, but I hope that experience pays off today.
For me, it was very hard because as I was coming from a different continent, I had to make sure that I have everything I needed, plus my cat.
One item you regret carrying or you should have brought with you all the way, what would it be?
I think I brought too much clothes.
I wish I had brought proper winter socks.
Today, it's actually a second chance for you. You will be given 5 minutes to pack everything to this suitcase. We have Anna as our judge. What will make a perfect carry-on suitcase?
You need to make sure that you pack your essentials for your first few days. In case if your luggage doesn't arrive or something, you have some that's gonna cover you for the last 3 to 4 days.
The evaluation will be based on the number of items and organization of your suitcase. In addition, there are mystery envelopes listing travel scenarios that will give you bonus or penalty points.
This is your 5-minute packing time. All right, see both of them grabbing shoes first.
Winter shoes is important, but if they are arriving in September, they also need to be really careful about sunscreen and being prepared for both seasons.
Rolling, I've heard rolling is actually better.
Yeah, that's what I usually do.
So
It's good.
too late, Akshaya.
I know, it's okay. I'm so decent. It's okay, we make this work.
Last 100 seconds to go.
Oh dear God, this is gonna be hard.
Well, every time that I need to close my suitcase, I need to sit on that.
Okay, so both of them are wrapping up. Carlos down first. We'll see Akshaya can.
Let's see if it's gonna close. Let's see if it's gonna close.
He's just too much. I'm so stressed, I don't want to get disqualified.
Time's up. Now we'll welcome Anna to our tables.
Here's what I packed.
And in case it's sunny, thought a cap would be good. And then in case if it's winter, toque.
Good.
For both seasons.
Yes, and then we have adapters.
And then I just packed some hoodies and sweaters. The hoodie is kind of rolled up to occupy less space.
Yeah, these are all summer outfits.
That was pretty much the ideology going behind the packing.
That's a good ideas, and you can see that you're covered for all that can come in your first few days at Western if something happens.
Yeah, what do you think, Carlos?
Well, it's gonna be hard to beat. But I might have stronger reasoning.
Okay, now let's move on to your luggage.
Let's just consider that I have a winter coat in here, okay? So it takes a lot of space, but it's really necessary. So I have snow boots. I didn't want to get everything else dirty, so it's separated. Something to calm my hair because, beauty is important. Sleeping mask, very important. And here, I think this is worth multiple points because we have medicine, we have Band-Aids and everything.
I think that's really well prepared. First aid kit is always important. First impression, yeah, Carlos was a little bit more organized.
But we don't know about the mystery envelopes yet. So those are some of the possible travel scenarios that could be bonus or penalty.
Your luggage is overweight, so I lost a point.
You have liquids over 100 milliliter for carry-on, so I lost a point.
You checked the new students page and residents move-in guide, so I have a point.
You put a power adapter, which I did.
The winner for the Carry On Olympics packing, it's Akshaya. Congratulations!
Thank you.
I was stressing out, but I'm glad I was able to fit it all in. I did not expect it, because when we worked together, Carlos was always the better organizer.
Congratulations. You did well. You're learning from me, you see.
We are definitely excited to welcome all the new students to Western this fall.
Make sure to check our new student page in our website and the residence move-in guide.
Welcome to Western.